Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. Welcome to another weekend product review. I literally just got this in the mail. It's Sunday and Amazon delivers on Sundays. It's raining outside, really yucky. I was on my way out to do something and the guy hands this to me. I'm like, wow. I have no idea what this is. Sometimes manufacturers just send me stuff. Pretty heavy. As you can see that there's a label on the box that says lithium-ion battery. So it has some sort of battery in it. Let's open this up. It's not marked. Don't you just love unboxing? It's like Christmas every time. Especially when you don't know what it is. I have a lot of manufacturers who email me and just say that they're going to send me something for review. I'm saying, okay. Wow, this is cool. Nice little box. Little toolbox. Oh. This is a tile installing machine. I didn't know you needed a machine to install tile because people have been installing tile by hand for generations. I've never ever seen a machine that installs the tile. So this is definitely new to me. Anbull is the brand name and they sell on Amazon. So as you can see here, it's foam protected. Wow. Cool. Have you ever seen anything like this before in your life? Oh, I see. So there's like a suction cup here. I see. So you put the tile, you put this suction cup on the tile. You squeeze, it grips it nice and tight, right? Kind of like, you know, for installing a glass windshield on your car. They have those, you know, suction cups. You grab it, lets you hold the tile up. I see what it is. So it's like if you have a big, heavy piece of tile, you would grab that, you know? It has a leveler, so to make sure that you're centered or level. And it comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries. So, you know what I'm thinking? I believe this vibrates. Ooh. This is 2 amps per hour. And it says 98 max VF. I don't know if that's volts or not, but... as you can see, they put the sticker on upside down here. So their quality control is... questionable. I don't know. I have OCD. I can't stand it if it's upside down. So there you go. Let's just. I'm not gonna. There's no instructions. At least I can tell. Here's a power cord charging, and the rest of it is just a molded box. I like the box. Good for storing ammo. All right, so here we go. Let's see. This battery does not have the meter on it, you know, where you press it and it tells you how many bars you have left. That would be useful. These batteries have an input here where you can plug it in like that and plug it in your wall. That's how you charge the battery. But I don't see any LED lights to tell you how much battery you have left or how much you can charge. So that's something that is useful, but, you know, because you have no idea how much battery life is in here. So let's connect this on here. Snaps into place. Okay, that just grips the tile, and it shows 1 is illuminated. I put the second one in, and it also shows just 1. So unless that's a selector, meaning it tells you how much. There's an on and off switch here, right? And then here's the mode switch. I see. So you press the mode switch, and it goes to 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you can select how much power is going to it. Let's just put it back on 1. You keep pressing and it goes back down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a startup button here. Let's press it. Ooh. Vibrates. So I'm going to put these strength selector higher. Wow. It's very cool. That's really cool. I like it. I don't think I would ever use it because I don't do tile. Maybe now I will. So they don't have any instructions, but it's all self-explanatory. You don't need instructions. You can figure it out yourself, you know what I mean? But it would be nice if they included some kind of a diagram that tells you exactly what these are, you know? I mean, short of trying it yourself. It's cool. I wish I had some tile to show you how to install, but I don't really know how to install tile. I mean, I've done it before, but by hand, you know. I didn't really think that you needed to vibrate the tile onto it, but I figure with big tile that you have to put, you know, vertically on a wall or something, it's hard to hold without those little spacers in between, right? And to compact it down, I have seen people with a mallet tapping it to make sure that it's level. So with this thing, you have a built-in leveler on there, and then it slowly vibrates it into place. So that's pretty cool. I didn't know that you know that they even made a tool like this, but it's very cool to have it though. It's great that they have 2 batteries on it. My suggestion is that you put a meter on it to tell you individually how much power is left in these batteries. It does say that these batteries, even though it says 98 max VF, it's actually 16.8 volts per. So that's not bad at 2 amps per hour. Like I said, you remove this plastic film and you have the suction cup that helps you hold big tile to put it on. And then with one hand, you can vibrate it to hold it in place and to make sure it's level. So that's very handy. You can adjust the speed and the intensity of the vibration. And of course, this handy thing just grips it, you know, like a windshield glass or something. Very cool, with an on and off switch and a charging handle. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested in something like this for home improvement and laying some tile. Thank you very much to Anbull for sending it to me. It's very cool. You never know, I might need it someday, and I don't think these are very expensive at all, so I'll just keep it because I like the box. Thanks a lot for joining me on today's weekend review. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Boom.
I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers. As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.